Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to install the Epson L130 printer driver. So, let's get started. First of all, open your Chrome browser. In the search bar, type Epson L130 driver and press enter. Open the first website that appears in the search results. Scroll down and here click on Downloads. From this section, choose your operating system. If you have Windows 11, don't worry. The Windows 10 64-bit driver will work on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Next, click on Drivers and then click on Download. Scroll down and click Accept to proceed. Once the file is downloaded, open the .exe file. When prompted, click Yes. Check the box that says Set as Default Printer and then click OK. Click OK again. Select I agree and click OK one more time. Before installing this driver, make sure you have connected the printer's USB cable to your computer. Now, here select the second option and click OK. As you can see, the printer driver has been successfully installed. Let me show you how to check the installed device. Type Control Panel in the search bar and open it. Go to Hardware and Sound. Click on Advanced Printer Setup. Here, you can see the name of your printer. Simply click on it, and to test if it's working properly, click Print Test Page. As you can see, my printer is working perfectly without any issues. So friends, that's how you can easily set up your Epson L130 printer. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.